Guys, look at this! I just won a $50 Amazon gift card just for predicting the result of yesterday's World Cup match between Portugal and Uzbekistan. Yeah, you heard that right. This professional email came straight to my inbox right after my prediction hit the nail on the head. I've already used the claim code they sent me, and it's 100% real. The $50 was added to my account instantly. It's super simple. All you have to do is go to this website right here, cupwin.live. As you can see, it updates the World Cup matches completely live. All you need to do is fill in your predicted scores right here for today's matches and hit this button. This window will pop up. Just enter your email address where you want to receive your voucher. Choose your gift card reward and hit the confirm button. Next, this page will appear showing you some offers. To lock in your reward if your prediction is correct, you just need to complete one of these offers. I'm going to choose the Quick Install Opera GX offer because it's super easy. By the way, I highly recommend using your phone for this as it usually shows much simpler tasks like just installing a regular app. All right, I'll quickly finish this offer and be right back. And there we go! As you can see, the offer is successfully completed and the reward is unlocked. Now, if you want to increase your chances of winning, you can actually go back and submit multiple predictions for different scores or matches. All you need to do is use a different email address each time. It's that easy. Go give it a try and good luck.